Look how dirty this is. Oh my god. I can't wait to clean this. We're cleaning this whole patio here. It's a concrete patio. And this is pretty much how it looks all over. But let's start here first. Spaceship. Look how beautiful this came out. The concrete. Beautiful. Came out really nice. I can't wait till it dries up. You can see the true work. As actually you can see, I'm using the cheapest brand here. 2300 surface cleaner. I must have paid like $30 for this thing. I'll make sure to put all my soap on the concrete first before